When you take Chanca Piedra, what will happen to your body? Chat. Chanca Piedra is a plant that has been traditionally used in herbal medicine for various purposes, particularly in South America. It is also known as a stonebreaker because of its historical use for treating kidney stones and gallstones. When you take Chanca Piedra, several potential effects on your body may occur. Kidney stones and gallstones. Chanca Piedra is most well known for its potential to help break down and prevent the formation of kidney stones and gallstones. Some studies and anecdotal evidence suggest that Chanca Piedra may help relax the ureter, making it easier for small stones to pass, or it may inhibit the growth of crystals that can lead to stone formation. However, more research is needed to confirm its effectiveness. Diuretic effect. Chanca Piedra may have a mild diuretic effect, meaning it can increase urine production. This can help flush out toxins and excess salts from the body. Liver health. Some traditional uses of Chanca Piedra include supporting liver health. It is believed to have hepatoprotective properties, meaning it may help protect the liver from damage. Digestive health. Chanca Piedra has been used to support digestive health and relieve gastrointestinal discomfort. It may help with issues like indigestion, bloating, and stomachaches. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Some studies suggest that Chanca Piedra has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which could potentially benefit various aspects of health. Blood sugar regulation. There is some evidence to suggest that Chanca Piedra may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it of interest to individuals with diabetes or prediabetes. However, more research is needed in this area. It's important to note that while Chanca Piedra has been used in traditional medicine for these purposes, scientific research on its efficacy and safety is limited, and the results can vary from person to person. If you are considering using Chanca Piedra for any specific health concern, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional. Additionally, herbal supplements can interact with medications and have potential side effects, so it's crucial to discuss its use with your healthcare provider to ensure it's safe and appropriate for your individual circumstances.